Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Investment Pro. In today's video, we are discussing new Palantir contracts and technical indicators that are pointing bullish scenario for Palantir. Before we start, as a standard disclaimer, I'm not a CPA legal or financial advisor. You should do your own research. This channel is for educational and entertainment purpose only. So let's discuss the contracts. On June 18, Palantir signed a contract with FAA to provide a data analytics tool that will help this agency modernization objectives for aviation safety. So this agency, FAA, gonna use Palantir Foundry software to help FAA's aircraft certification and continued operational safety activities. And these activities includes the ongoing monitoring of 737 MAX fleet return to service, and the contract value is around 18.4 million in dollar value. So this is a 1-year contract with 2 additional optional years. There was another contract in June where they have been awarded a 7.4 million 1-year contract renewal with US CDC to continue to provide an outbreak response and disease surveillance solution as part of the Decipher program. Basically, they are using Palantir Foundry software to help prevent disease outbreak and respond to public health emergencies. Palantir was also able to renew their contract with United Kingdom's Royal Navy for its Palantir Foundry platform. The software has been used for broad spectrum of areas from strategic workshop planning to supply chain management to COVID-19 response. Royal Navy have been using this software since April 2020, and this renewal has a base value of 6.25 million and a potential total amount of 11.25 million for 9 months. In May, Palantir was awarded with one of the biggest contracts with United States Special Operations Command, valued at 111 million, inclusive of options, with 52.5 million executed upon award. The total contract includes a base year and 1 option year. So basically, they're going to use Palantir software as their enterprise data management and AI-enabled mission command platform to provide the real-time data to help make defense decisions and collaboration with the allies. There was another contract in April where Palantir was able to renew their partnership with Ringier. Ringier is basically a Swiss media company based out of Europe. They will be using Palantir software to further its digital transformation and accelerate its shift to a digital first global media company. Now let's look into some technical indicators to see the trend for Palantir. If we look at the ADX indicator, which is used to determine the trend and the strength, if it is bullish or bearish. So if you look at the numbers, you can see Palantir is somewhere 29, and if you look at the metrics, anything in between 25 and 50 is called as a strong trend. So we can see the trend is strong. Anything below 25 is basically known as a weak trend. We can say there's the trend is weak and maybe is heading to a bearish scenario. The ADX calculations are based on a moving average of price range expansion over a given period of time. So by using ADX indicators, one can say if the trend is bullish, or if there's a strong trend, or if it's a weak trend. Now let's check the RSI for Palantir. You can see we are at 65. So anything over 70 is considered as a overbought, and anything below 30 is considered as a oversold, right? So in an uptrend or a bull market, the RSI tend to remain in between 40 to 90 range, with a 40 to 50 zone acting as a support, right? And during the downtrend or bear market, the RSI tend to stay between 10 to 60 range, with a 50 to 60 range acting as a resistance. For Palantir, we are at 65. Is definitely that indicates, the RSI indicates that the Palantir is currently in an uptrend. I also looked into some recent articles, and one of the articles from Seeking Alpha indicates that Palantir has 36 million worth of new contracts, or the contracts under discussions for Q2 2021. So there was another article from Motley Fool where they compared Palantir like Karp with the Tesla CEO in terms of outspoken. So during one of the interview with the CNBC this year, Alex Karp basically said that if you are speculating or you're thinking about this short term, then there are plenty of opportunities. You can go elsewhere and invest. For Palantir, for you to be in Palantir, you have to be patient, and this is for a long run, right? So it's clearly he's indicating that if you like the Palantir, then it's for a long term. So before I close, I want to disclose my position in Palantir. So you can see currently I have over 600 shares in Palantir, and my average price is 13.92, and I'm currently up more than 82%. For me, Palantir is a long-term investment. I do not plan to sell my Palantir stock. For me, this company is growing. They have been signing the contracts every month. I think this is, in my opinion, not a financial advice. I think this is the right time to buy Palantir. Even I'm looking to add to my position. So guys, let me know what you think about Palantir, the technical analysis. And if you like my video, and please consider subscribing to my channel and hit the like button. Alright guys, talk soon. Thank you.